Unfortunately, there's never been a peaceful handover of power in Uganda, but pop star turned politician Robert Kyagulanyi, popularly known as Bobi Wine, is hopeful that it can still happen after failing to unseat the long-serving president Yoweri Museveni back in January's vote. NUP, National Unity Platform.
People power.
Okay.
Kyagulanyi president.
So Robert I can't pronounce his name properly. Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, Bobi Wine. Born in 1982 and better known by his stage name Bobi Wine, is a Ugandan politician. He's run for the leadership back in January. He's formerly a singer before he got into politics. He's an actor and he's a businessman. And he's also the richest musician in Uganda. His current net worth is around $7.3 million US. And Bobi promised Ugandans a revolution, or he did promise the Ugandans a revolution up to earlier in the year, the polls back in January. But the President Museveni's control over the security forces and the wide patronage network proved impossible to overcome. But I've just been speaking to a gentleman here and he's very confident that Bobi will become president quite soon because the people, they've had enough. So this area, this is where Bobi spent much of his childhood here in Kampala. This is the Kamwokya slum area, and this is where the musician, he lived, he built his now world famous recording studio, where we're just about to go and have a look. Back in 2017, Bobi, originally a reggae artist, decided to turn his hand to politics and started singing about the challenges that the people go through here in Uganda. He also wrote a song, "We Shall Wear the Victor's Crown," and that became his political party's national anthem. Sadly, the people power struggle has come at a cost of murder, injuries, arrest, but Bobi Wine is not ready to give up just yet. A real fight begins as Bobi Wine leads an entire generation out of slavery. Anyway, let's go and have a look at this recording studio. So, you know Bobi Wine?
Yeah, I know Bobi Wine.
Do you support Bobi Wine?
Yeah, we support Bobi Wine.
Why do you support Bobi Wine?
You know Bobi Wine because he was born here, so we are used to see him as a young man.
Has he helped the community?
He helps us, he's singing for us, making us happy, and he's a local child born here.
All right, thank you. So just over here we've got the studio. This is the world famous studio. So I guess that's a picture of him there, or a painting. Don't know where the entrance is. Where's the entrance? Oh, there it is. It's a nice chair made out of tyres. Are you okay? I'm making a video about Bobi Wine. Are you busy? Do you have a lot of bands coming in here to record? Yeah. How old is this studio?
15 here.
Okay, and who's the most famous person who has sang in here after Bobi Wine? Did you have any famous musician from Uganda coming here?
Yeah, like Gembe came here.
Mugembe, okay. Thank you. Okay. Can you tell me, who is Bobi Wine?
The president.
He should be the president. He should be, yeah? Do you support Bobi Wine?
Yes, of course.
Everybody around here, yeah. Did he do many good things for the community?
Yes.
What do you think is the best thing he did for the community?
He has done very many things for the community.
Okay, thank you. So I'm here with Mako. Mako? Yeah. And Mako was just telling me about some of his struggles. He's not actually from Uganda, he's from Rwanda, but he was actually born here. How is life for you?
My life. My new one, ebintu bye tuyitamu ebimu bituleetera okwetamwa. Ffe ng'abantu abamu abali eno yange badde nga twebereramu n'engoma muzeeyo tucunya nnyo, muzeeyo tandise okucunya buli omu mubeerabira batabani be bange badde engoma neno yesaawa mwana tubeerera kubanga boyi kyekimu my life.